Welcome to Flippin' Rejects with me, Shane Luthman. This week, I picked up these slatted closet doors at a local Habitat Restore. I'll be using them to build some outdoor toy storage in the form of a bench/toy chest. Let's get started.
This is what our outdoor toy storage looked like before. Didn't look great, my wife wanted a change. So I got all the wood together, and this is me just cutting it all down to size. While I'm cutting all these 2x3s down to size, it's be a good chance to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. After I got all this wood cut down to its finished size, it's time to give it a once over with the sander. Now I only had 3 hours to do this project, and it's not pretty, but it's going to serve its purpose. So I chose pocket hole joinery for this, just because they're quick and easy. And they're strong enough to put up with anything that my kids can throw at it. Now to start assembling this piece, and it really came together pretty quick. With that all put together, I could start disassembling the slatted doors. Now I thought I'd have to cut all the way through from one side to the other. But the slats are just held in there, so all I had to do was just cut each side. And with that colossal failure out of the way, I can start putting in the slats for the bottom. I put these 4 boards across the top piece just to keep them tied together and give it a little bit more strength. If I had to do this step over again, I would have used wood glue under these 4 pieces. It would have helped with the strength and the longevity of this piece. Time to attach the hinges, and this piece is almost done. Before I added the finish sealer, I decided to put a small chamfered edge around the top of this piece. It turned out looking pretty good. Not only did I only have 3 hours to build this, but at this point I could sense that the rain was going to start coming in. So sealing this and waterproofing it is really clumsy and was really done very fast. I still think it'll hold up, and I'll probably go back and put multiple other coats on. But it turned out looking pretty well. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks for watching the video.
Oh hey, just playing hide and go seek in this outdoor toy storage bin you guys just watched me build. If you like this video, hit that subscribe button. If you really like it, hit that bell and you'll get a notification every time I take another item and flip it into something awesome. So y'all be quiet and go have a great day and go make something awesome.